Driving good customer care in large organizations needs an organization to drive a culture of customer service. And we have seen that every organization that drives customer service top down internally is better and more successful in delivering better customer experience. This is something which is not off the shelf. It needs to be imbibed into an organization and at various levels and needs to be practiced. Thereby, it is something that organizations need a deliberate effort in inculcating this in their DNA. We have seen consistently large organizations use and leverage technology, people practices, and great proactive steps to deliver customer service in large formats across geographies and domains. Large organizations rely on huge amount of data and analytics today to understand customer need and customer care. Good investment in these areas allows organizations and organizations to deliver better customer service. It also allows them to stay ahead in the game because being proactive makes you design the product, service recovery, and services to your end customer so much better and ahead of time and ahead of competition. Leveraging analytics and tools and automation has huge benefits and opportunities. To give you an example, we service an organization out of US. We have more than 2,000 people on the account who take millions of calls for them throughout the year. The ability to mine this data for them, today we see allows greater marketing strategies, allows them to understand what competition is doing, where value is in the service, and what's the best effort that needs to be put in at any point of time. Analytics has helped us improve customer service, first call resolution, and tailor-make products for various geographies that we service them for today. So it just has huge potential today because in another organization where we service, just the sheer retail management of products and the ability that analytics can bring on what's moving, what's not, what geography works, what products work, has allowed our partners to design solutions around these issues.